Good evening and welcome to Jim Only's World of Weather. You clicked onto the long range weather forecast discussion for June 21st through July 3rd. The pattern is expected to become more summer-like during June 21st to 25th as a subtropical ridge should hold over the lower latitudes and expand into the Intermountain West by next week. Models and ensembles are in agreement with the pattern for this period, with only minor differences in the amplitude and timing of minor disturbances across the northern U.S. within the polar jet. The polar jet is forecast across the northern border, and this should keep this region cool and unsettled at times. The Northwest also experienced unsettled conditions along with below normal temperatures, and that is because of this upper low here and trough that slowly moves eastward. And like I said again, here's our subtropical ridge across the lower United States. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for June 24th to 28th. The models and ensembles are in agreement with this pattern, with the 500 millibar pattern for June 24th to 28th. A subtropical ridge is forecast across the southern U.S. A low amplitude flow is forecast to the north. However, there are some disagreements in the models across the Northwest. The European ensembles and the high resolution run, and the Canadian ensembles have an amplified trough off the west coast. The GFS models have the trough inland. So during this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here, near normal elsewhere. For precipitation, continuing the trend of below normal precipitation for this region. Now we're going to look at the period for June 29th to July 3rd, and the ensembles remain in agreement with the 500 millibar pattern for the July 29th to July 3rd, with a subtropical ridge over the four corners. The GFS and the Canadian ensembles build a ridge eastward from the Mississippi Valley with above normal heights across the northeast. The European ensembles maintain a trough with near normal heights. The retrogression of the subtropical ridge into the four corners from the southern U.S. supports the European ensemble solution. The high resolution 12Z GFS have backed off from increasing heights across the northeast. So in this forecast model, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, near normal elsewhere for precipitation. Forecasting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this region. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for July 21st, from June 21st to July 3rd. Thank you for coming to Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.